Now okay, in this step we will run arrow-dump-ng to see all the devices that are connected to a particular network and collect more information about it. Once we have a network to the target, it is useful to run arrow-dump on that network only, instead of running it on all the networks around us. So currently we are running arrow-dump-ng on all the network around us. So now we are going to target this one, which is free ka mangne wale. Now we are going to target this particular Wi-Fi network. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to simply open a new window and now let's zoom it. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to give command here, which is arrow-dump-ng BSSID, and I'm going to enter the BSSID of this particular Wi-Fi network 18.4A. Be careful while writing this particular ID, and 2E DC B0. Okay, so this is the BSSID. So the next thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to specify the channel. Okay, so the channel that this Wi-Fi is using is Wi-Fi router is using is 3. Okay, so I'm going to give here 3. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to give here is the name, which is LAN 0. So this is the name of interface. Now hit enter. So now as you can see that after hitting enter, we are having all these networks that are connected with this particular Wi-Fi network. So before going inside this, let's first decode what each and every command means here. Okay, so BSSID, so this is the access point MAC address. It is used to eliminate extraneous traffic. And the next one is B channel. Okay, so the next one is channel. So channel is nothing but it is for the arrow-dump-ng to sniff on which channel arrow-dump-ng is going to sniff. So that's why we need to specify here. And then we are having the name of our interface. Okay, so this thing is clear. So the next thing, as you can see here, is we are having these many networks which are connected with this particular Wi-Fi. So what we can do here is we are not going to do anything in this particular lecture. We are going to learn what each and every command means here. Okay. Now we are having BSSID. So BSSID means here is BSSID of all the devices is same because devices are connected to the same network. The next one is station. Station shows the number of devices that are connected to this network. PWR, which is also called as power. So this shows the power strength of each of the device. Then we are having rate. Rate shows the speed. We are having loss. Loss shows the amount of data loss. And then we are having frames. So frame is nothing but this shows the number of frames that we have captured. So this is how you can get inside any particular network